No one save him. No one save him. What's up, guys? Mississippi here. Today, we're working on the Mercedes. Just doing basic routine maintenance. Gonna be pulling the valve cover off. We're gonna do a valve adjustment. Hopefully that fixes a little bit of the smoking problem. First, we gotta start with taking off all these linkages. That's where I'm gonna be starting. Pretty simple. They just pop right off, just like this. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! What did I do? Oh no, Ryan! I need adult supervision. Holy fuck! I need adult supervision. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh fuck! I'm dropping tools now.
Brother,
Mississippi never cries. Never. Alrighty. Just a quick update. Got the top bracket off for all the linkages for the gas and not the ABS, but the cruise control. Yeah, believe it or not, this thing did have cruise control. Fancy. But now I'm going to take off the valve cover bolts. There's 1, 2, 3 right there, and the 4th one right here. So let's get to it. YouTube magic.
That does look pretty clean too. It's pretty cool. Really simple design, like my wiener. But while I was doing that, having fun with that shit, we're doing real big man stuff over here. Unplugged the mic. Unplugged it.
bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Yeah, Mike. No, dude, real man shit over here. I'm cleaning out the 4Runner. Yeah, I'm cleaning out because I want to deal with holes like this, you know? I want to weld these up, patch them, and start the process of, putting some insulation padding, maybe sound deadening, and making it cozy in here, because driving this in the winter fucking sucks, because the heater can't catch up, everything's cold, or in the summertime super hot, my AC's like, oh, I can't keep going. I'm like, you can, for me, keep going for me. It's like, okay, daddy.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Fucking weird. Why do you like this? Why are you, okay.
Me? I'm the weird one?
Yeah, you're the weird one. Oh my god.
What?
Whatever. I'm gonna fucking vacuum real quick, and we'll start prepping the areas for welding. Missed.
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh!
No. No. She wasn't ready.
All right. So I got vacuumed out, prepped the holes. Now I'm gonna have to get some metal, kind of get that shape going and start filling them up. It looks like I only have these 2 holes, and I also have that bolt hole, which I'll just throw a bolt in. Then we'll be pretty much sealed up from the bottom. But then after that, thinking about taking the camper shell and pushing it back and resealing this whole edge with new like weathering strip, so don't have to worry about any leaks. So we get that new carpet in, make it look a little bit better, a little bit warmer, maybe cuter. I don't know if Ricky filmed it or not. He probably did. He's a good boy, but he had to go to the auto parts store because the feeler gauges we have over yonder, got these ones, only go down to, I think, 8 thou. Get out! Get out of me! Yeah, only goes down to 8 thou, and he needs 4 thousandths. And this one, I don't think it's any better. Yeah, this one goes down to, yeah. Wait, this one says 4 thou right here. He said he checked it. He didn't check it. He's a liar. pants for hire. Let me just stick it in here. Oh my god, guys. Oh, the clearance is bad. Is it pushing down on the valve? It's pushing down on the valve. Oh my god, guys, look at the clearance. Oh, he's got to get rid of it. He's gonna have to throw away the whole car. It's done. It's not worth it anymore. What? Alright. Alright, look at that. Made the template. Oh. Template cut out a piece of metal. Fills that hole up just perfectly. I use these Johns dividers, also known as compasses. Just made you a circle paper template. Yeah, you're a circle guy. And yeah, here's the little circle thing. I put it on the piece of metal and traced it out and then cut it, shaved it down, and cell bender.
Oh my god, bro.
What's up, guys? I'm trying to bend this, so I need to heat it up really hot. But stop sign. Motherfucking stop sign.
Yeah, we
got no butane.
We gotta band the wrench so it fits right here on the locking nut. I don't know, what do you call this? Those fucking guys. There's two of them, but you get in there so we can crack it open, adjust the valve lash, so we get no ticky tacky tacky ticky ticky ticky.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're gonna do all of them. I guess you don't have to have it top dead center. You just need this facing up on each one of them.
Yeah.
Exhaust intake.
See how it lines up with the valve? That's how you know it's intake and this one's exhaust, because it lines up with each of them. Wrench bent, ready for extract. Oh, dude, it's too long. Huh? We didn't bend it right. Worky. Oh, hold on. All right, slap it back together.
Other guys, they got like hella bends and shit. I mean, I seen one guy do it just like that.
Yeah.
I'd have to bend it one more time.
Well, I got you guys alone. Really check out our OnlyFans. Dude, I have so many videos of Ricky just going berserk on it.
Why are you gay?
And it's like good content too. Like you finish in a couple seconds. Fuck that guy. All right, got the other template, little hole patch thing, whatever, plug, ready, in, magnet on the other side. I did this one opposite from this one because this one has fuel lines that go right here. So I just wanted to like, tack it slowly.
Mike,
but we're ready to fucking patch up.
Mike, I need my tools bent. I need my tools bent. If you get what I'm saying, guys.
You're listening to 93 Fuck Hard Rock Radio.
Tools bent.
Alright, look at that hose patch. Not very good, but it's sealed
On both of these. Yep. But you gotta get some self-etching primer, get on this exposed metal so we get a chemical and physical bond. We'll paint over with some cheap red or something. Make sure we have no exposed metal, because exposed metal equals rust. Rust is not good, we don't want that.
Alrighty, guys. Just kidding. Basically, we did lose a lot of the audio, so I will be doing voiceovers on some of the parts. Here, I was just showing how we decided to take out the fuel injectors. Basically, to just inspect them, see how they're looking. It also did allow better access to the valve adjustment screws, so that was a big plus. I don't know what I'm yapping about right here, but yeah, I'm doing some weird stuff in this. Yeah, I don't know. Basically, what Ryan's doing right now is pulling apart the injectors. Just pulling out the little tiny dudes in there. Making sure everything is clean. Alrighty, so we got everything back together. Did the valve adjustment, blah, 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 fuel injectors, blah, 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 blah. Right now, we are just basically purging the fuel injectors, making sure there's no air in the system. Basically just cranking it over, loosening one of the lines to the fuel injector, waiting for fuel to come out of it, and then tightening back up. Yeah, that's basically it. The end of this video has got sound, so
I think I'm gonna take off the camper shell. Oh god, it's bright. I'm gonna take off the shell here, move this back a little bit, and then put new weather stripping along this edge to make sure it stays watertight. Cause, dude, I don't know how old that shit is in there. It's probably factory stuff from '88, so. Alright, it's been a while. Got it separated and added some camper weather stripping. Camper weather seal? I don't know. I'm tired. I did this whole edge right here because it's flat. And then on this one, I did in between the bolt locations because it pops out about 1/4 inch or so. So I want to make sure it seals good and fully so we get no more leakies in here.
Well, guys, took her for a test drive. She runs a lot better now. A lot better. She
Real
doesn't
good.
Fucking,
Nice and smooth.
it isn't fucking. But
Why can't you do that shit on me?
What did he say?
But when we came back to stick a mic into the engine bay so we can hear the, this is what we found.
Yeah, the valve cover kind of blew out right there. Let's get that O light on
I don't know
there.
if you guys can see it. It's where it's
Still
flipped
lip.
out a little.
Yeah, she pooped. She pooped. She didn't like that.
Yeah,
Fucking
so-
everywhere, dude.
Yeah, it's fucking. It's all over the place.
She needs a little cleaning.
She's gonna need a bath right after this, but she fucking rips now. That low end torque is fucking.
So I guess the theory is we were down one cylinder beforehand, why it was smoking so much and didn't have a good power. But it's cleaned, it's fixed, and it's great.
Yeah, that yeah, it sucks. I want to test drive it more, but
At least it's an easy fix.
what's up, guys? I didn't see you there. That's the video. Basically just working on the Mercedes, doing the valve adjustment and the fuel injectors. Ryan did a little bit of seal job on his 4Runner, welded up some holes and stuff like that. Definitely needed it. That shit was rough, really rough. But yeah, after doing the valve adjustment and the fuel injectors, she runs a lot better now. So she does fucking Bernie's. If you guys couldn't see, we fucking drew all over it. Yeah, rough. Anyways, I don't know what's the next video. Who knows? Maybe it's stop sign. Anyways, see you guys next time. Rich. Yeah.